Hi, my name is Dhananjay Kumar and I work for Telerik. In this video, I'm going to show you that how we can test our login functionality, or rather how we can automate our login functionality. For purpose of this demo, I have taken this application. Before authenticating, this application got this home screen. To authenticate into the application, user need to click on this login button. So point to be noted here is that before authentication, text of this button is login, and once user is successfully authenticated to the application, this text will change to log out. Let us go ahead and log into the application. And you see here after authentication the text has been changed to log out. So we can automate the login functionality by verifying text of this button, that before authentication it is login and after authentication it is log out. So let us go ahead and see how we can automate this test in Test Studio. I have launched Test Studio here, and to automate the login functionality, let us go ahead and add a new test. And since we are going to test login functionality in a web application, we will choose web test here. If you are testing the functionality in a standalone WPF application, then you may want to choose WPF test. Click web test and give a name of the test. Let us call it login test. Click on OK. And double click on this to record a test. And here Test Studio is launching IE. As you know that we can record the test steps in IE only. However, we can execute the test in any browser. Navigate to the application, and you see that as soon as we done an action here, that is step being added in the Test Studio. Now to log in into the application, user need to click on this login button. One step being added there. Test user ABC, and this is so after a successful login, this text is being changed to log out. Let us go ahead and put a verification to this text where it's saying the text contains logout. So if user has successfully logged into the application, this verification step should get passed, else this verification step would get failed. Now close the browser to stop the recording. We have recorded a test, and now let us go ahead and execute the test. For that, save the test, choose the browser and click on the run button. Here you see that Test Studio navigated to the application, and here we got that the sixth step got failed, and that is because here in the fourth step what we need to do is to enable the simulate real typing. When we enable this checkbox, it will fire the JavaScript event key press, and on the firing of key press event only that login button gets enabled. Now let us go ahead, save the test again, choose the browser and execute the test. And here we see that hopefully we should get all the test step passed, and we got it. So in this way you can automate login functionality using Test Studio. I hope you find this video useful. For any update, follow Telerik on Twitter. Telerik handle is TELERIK. Thank you so much for watching this video.